Happy holidays, everybody. Now, Zachy's going to do some impersonations. You ready, Zach? Okay. Zachy, first one is a dog. Very good. Next one is a horse. Very good. Next one is a pig. Very good. Next one is a duck. Very good.
No, duck.
No, duck. Next one is a rooster. Very good.
No, butters.
A rooster. Next one is a kitty cat.
Meow.
Very.
No, kitty cat.
Hey, kitty cat. Next one is a donkey.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
No, donkey.
Good donkey. Next one is an elephant.
Not my life.
Next one is a cow.
Moo.
Very good. Next one is a frog. Very good.
Good, Bob.
Hey, frog. And last one, it's a hard one, is a fish.
Puppy.
Hey, fish. Say, happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye-bye.